All right, so I'm going to go through some of this. We already went through some of it. What I'm doing is getting my copper pieces like this that still have things that need to be taken apart. My motors, there's a lot of cast aluminum. This thing here I got from somebody. I have not a clue what it is. Some kind of maybe an exhaust, but I'm thinking it's stainless steel and solid copper. Pretty amazing piece. Just not sure what it went to. But it's heavy. I'll know what that's worth later. But I'm going through this box right here and putting everything over there that needs to be either melted down or taken apart in some way. And break a box. TV cord. Copper. Some of these things here, I save these in a different bucket because I'm going to get just a piece of aluminum. I'm going to get the silver out of them before I get rid of them. Look at this heavy copper I have. Wow. A pretty massive amount, in my opinion. I mean, I'm just a beginner. Sorry about all the moving around. I'm trying to get this camera to be able to see. Oops. If it has anything in it that I think is worth saving, I'm gonna put it in my save box. Oh, at least I could take that apart and turn that into better copper. I got some nice starter motors. I'm gonna take it apart. It's all sweet daddy copper. Copper goodness. Gosh. All right, guys, so I've been scrapping. The only thing you've seen so far on my videos is me going to the scrapyard. But that is not all I do. You would not believe all the goodness that I've already taken off every bit of that scrap. See, most people, they leave this goodness on there. And I'm not going to leave this goodness on there. Not only am I not going to leave it on there, I'm going to tear it apart and make the most out of it. So, I got quite a bit of this stuff to tear down. And melt down. I'm going to melt stuff like that down into ingots. It looks like there's something inside of that. It's not complete copper. But there's some slag on this stuff, so if you melt it down, it'd be worth more money. Oh, this is a lot of goodness right here. A lot of goodness. Some solid copper box here, baby. A lot of copper in here. A lot of copper. Copper is awesome. Brass is awesome. I'm gonna take stuff like this right here. It's really thin copper, so it will melt down really quick and easy. So some of this will get melted into pretty little ingots. Well, that's pretty. Pretty stuff. Pretty stuff. Look at the stuff I've got. So all this stuff, see, I've been hauling loads of trash, and that's all you've seen me do. You haven't seen me taking things apart yet, which I do. Obviously, if you see my little collection that I've accumulated in only, golly, look at that stuff. 5 weeks of scrapping. Literally 5 weeks of scrapping. And this is some of the beautiful stuff that I've gotten already. Oh my God, look at the copper. So, if you're a scrapper in the scrapping life, and you're not taking every piece of goodness off of your items, whether it be an air conditioner, refrigerator, anything that has goodness like this in it, doesn't matter. Cords, cut your cords off. They're worth it. Believe me. I mean, look at all them cords I have. I have two about 40-gallon drums full of cords. Golly, I have more than I actually knew that I had. This isn't even half of it. I mean, I've got some more back there. So yeah, I'm gonna get this bucket here cleaned out and get on my copper that I've been cutting off all these refrigerators and air conditioners and TVs put in here, and I still haven't touched my aluminum pile. I have 400 pounds of aluminum out back, guys. I'll be recycling it also, so be watching. This goodness, and I'm going to separate and get all the copper out of. I mean, I'm talking about a pile right here. And this is all stuff, like I say, I've taken it off of air conditioners, even thin little wire like that. That little thin wire came from the back of a TV screen. I remember taking it off. That's why I know. These come from the refrigerator compressors. Big old piece of copper. And I have just a ton. I'll bust that out of there, see if it's aluminum or copper. I got quite a little pile here. I'm going to go through it, separate it some. I haven't done that yet. Get the stuff that I still want to tear down. Some of it's going to go right in here. I'll tear this stuff down later. Some of the stuff go over there that I'll tear down maybe sooner than later. But I don't, Tin Man, thank you. You know, Tin Man, you really made me appreciate tearing down stuff. So thank you for that. I'm going to keep mentioning you because you're such a great channel, doing what you do. I wish I could do what you do because I think more people might watch and see what I'm doing. But that's just not the kind of channel I want to be. Or I'd like to get the views you get, but I'm scrapping grandpa. And I'm 58 years old. And I'm going to do this probably for the rest of my life. I've been a roofer all my life. And that, my friend, has about came to an end. Can't be a roofer anymore, too many health problems. So I'm going to turn to something else that I can make money on. And I think this is it. I mean, I'm not going to get rich. I'm not going out here. I'm not going to get rich. I'm going to make videos, let people check my videos out and see just exactly what I'm doing. Hopefully they like my channel. Stuff like this I'm still taking apart. I'm going to beat the copper out of that. Beat the copper out of it. Check out, see what I'm doing. If you like the reason I'm doing it, which is basically because my health is bad. And if your health is bad and you had to find something else to do, hit that like button. Maybe even make a comment about what it was that you used to do. Well, I really like to hear from everybody what they what did you do before you was a scrapper, or what did you do before you was whatever you had to change up to when you got old, like myself. I'm 58, roofing is just not for me anymore. So I've gotten old where I pretty much can't do it anymore. So I'm switching right over. I'm going to do it real quick. I'm switching over to here. And I'm going to start doing this recycling stuff. And I'm just going to do it right. I'm not going to leave any of the goodies for the scrap yard. I'm going to take every little piece off that I can make something of, or money from. Brass. I mean, look at this stuff. This is all stuff that just came off the back of things that I'm taking apart. Or a pot, like a Yankee would say. I used to be a Yankee. Things that I've taken apart. I'll be making a lot of videos. This is just the beginning, my friends. All right, I think that all by itself, the reason why I did all that was because now that they're square, I can unroll that and pull that out a whole lot easier in a short piece than I will a long piece. And these, I'll take the screw out. That little nut off right there is not even a nut screw. And I'll have two pieces of, looks to be aluminum, cast aluminum. So this is some aluminum. I'll save all these sheets, melt them down. This is some cast aluminum. I'll take the bolt out of that and save all them too. So, all right, I got a pretty good pile here to work with. What I'm going to do now is start pulling out my wire so I can get it ready for stripping. I got a lot of wire to strip, but I've been saving this stuff up since I started about 5 weeks ago, and this will be the first time I turn any of it in. So I'm not so sure I'm going to turn any of my aluminum in or my actual copper pieces right now, but I'm going to turn in all my light duty wire and my electrical cords, all my electrical cords Monday. First time ever. So I'm not sure exactly what the price is. I'm not even sure exactly if I've separated everything properly. I'm just hoping that I did. So anyways, now that I'm where I'm at now, I'm gonna see what it's gonna take. See what it's gonna take to get these without freaking beating myself up. I don't poke myself in the face. All right, let's find out what it takes to get these things out of here now that I cut them square. I might have just screwed up, I don't even know. Or maybe I start at the other end and just pull it out. Yep, that's it. Pull it out. All right. So take a little piece of plastic off, throw it over here in my pile that I've got over there, and then should have a screwdriver right now taking them things off. So I guess I'm going to go get a screwdriver and start taking these off and saving them in my bucket and saving my aluminum right over there. Well, now that I've went ahead and cut these things like I said I was going to do, I've cut them. I'm saving all these pieces here, but they come out so easy now. I mean, the wires just fall out of there. Now I'm not sure how to get that particular screw out of there. What I have to do is caught on that piece of cast aluminum. So eventually I'm going to save all of them for now. I might just sell them on an auction or online. to a contractor that's, and I don't know if they come on the wires or not, but if they don't, seems like that might be a handy item to have if you was an electrician. I'm not an electrician, so I'm gonna save them. Save all my little pieces. But I can say this, just loosening them up helps them come off there real nice. And save it. And then because that other end is cut already, these wires slide right out. That is the easiest I've pulled any wires out of these things yet. Awesome. I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. All right, we are loaded up, Both dogs here. We have loaded up a bunch of just steel goodness. We're gonna bring that in, and them 2 buckets of wire that I was stripping out yesterday, or not stripping, but we got 2 buckets of wire, 2 different types. This will be the first time I brought back any wire, so I'm curious to find out what I got there. All right, Scrapping Grandpa at the landfill again. I mean the landfill, I keep calling it landfill. Got wire.
Wire, okay, man. Wait a minute.
All right, first time we got to bring wire back. Today's the day. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll open the gate.
Huh?
Let's open the door.
All right, hold on.
Yeah, wait.
Yes, sir.
Come back here.
Come back for what?
Why?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it over to the side. I'll be back. I'm gonna leave it right here.
All right.
I'm gonna go unload.
You got tomorrow or today?
That's it. These 2 baskets. This is one. Hey, that one, and then that one. Big stuff.
That one the same, low grade.
This is low grade.
These 2
Why?
is
Only has 1 wire.
just one wire, but see how much copper got inside.
All of it. I got some. I need to learn how to separate.
All that one the same, my friend.
Is it?
Let me
Show me.
show you what.
Show me.
the number
I
one.
need to learn. I need to learn.
This one is the number 1.
This is number 1.
Yes, let me.
And this? Look, that too?
Yeah, see how much
Oh,
copper
it's
is
1.
inside.
Yeah.
And see how much copper.
I do. Okay.
a lot.
It's number 1.
That one, yeah, that one is everything is low grade.
This is low grade.
Yes.
Both baskets.
All these things, these all the low grade. I'll wait when you come back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ah, so I thought I separated it. It's not. It's all low grade. Every bit of it. Yeah, high grade is only a pencil. Has to be pencil thick.
Yeah. Not pen.
Has to be. You know, the pencil lead thick. What's this guy doing here?
Keep on going. Keep on going. Don't worry about him. We're going to go across the first, Steve.
Yeah, what the fuck he's doing?
We don't got to wait on him. I know you're strapped, buddy.
Oh, that's I think them guys that had that thing hooked to it.
Is it?
Yeah. Scrapping Grandpa back in the scrap yard. I'm gonna have to change the setting on it. It's dark. Get in there and drive her up. See what we got today. He is unloading just as fast as he can. I love this dump truck. Pull up a little bit. Hear that money? Sound like money. Money, money! %. Looks great. That didn't take no time at all. All right. Hey, hey. If you was... All right. Let's go see what we had up here.
Go back across scales.
Yep. Cross the scales one more time.
Money.
Get the money. Let's see what we had over there in 40% copper. I was hoping for more, but I'll take it. I will take it. All right, let's see what we had in weight. That was not a terrible load, but not a lot of heavy stuff. And then here we go. Can't wait to see what we had in barrels. That's what I'm most curious about. You already gave him my ticket?
No, I go.
Okay, okay.
Put it in the scale. Leave the bucket right there.
Gotta wait. That's 88 pounds. 88 pounds. All right, first one is 88.
That one, let's put the bucket right here. I'll help you. Let's weigh the bucket. Let's
Oh, okay. Weigh the bucket.
Maurice, yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, no problem. 128 minus.
Minus.
Go get the, where's the hand truck?
Sorry about that.
Okay, no problem, man.
I'll help you. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, man? What's going on, bud? Yeah.
We should have left it in the bucket, he said.
Oh, my bad.
You gotta put the bucket.
89. Roof. 7.
7 pounds.
Yeah.
You get all that wire from roofing?
No.
No, man. I also do scrapping.
Oh, okay.
I'm 58
Ain't nothing
now,
wrong
and I
with that.
subcontract out my roofing
I'm
now.
57.
I sub my contracting.
You do?
Yeah. And all
That's a lot
my,
of wire, man. That's a lot of weight on wire.
that is.
That's how you got to bring it in to get money.
Okay, man. Thank you.
What are they paying on that now?
I don't even know yet. This is the first time I brought some in. I just started
Yeah, I
scrapping.
used to bring them in that
I
blue
just
barrel.
decided that it's time to start.
Yeah, I mean, if you get this from your job, why give it away?
I know people give it to me.
Bro, that's right.
People give it to
You
me.
go into places and they
What
don't shit all in the yard.
I go to the place and I say, hey man, I do scrapping. If you got anything, and they give me, you wouldn't believe.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Bro.
I'm making a YouTube channel too.
Are you?
Scrapping with Grandpa.
Oh, okay.
Scrapping with Grandpa. So I do the yard, I do the whole deal. Me loading the truck, tearing stuff apart, everything.
Yo, I told you to leave it over there till I pull out.
That's all right.
That's all right. It's here now.
Bring it.
Yeah, man. Hey, that wire pays good. People throw it.
Oh, yeah.
People throw it away all the time.
Right on top. No, back up. I'll show you how to do this. Put it right there. Remember, these is where you put your straps. So in order to hold this down, it's got to be centered right there. That one and this one. So you put it down and make sure it's centered.
What's going on, brother? I want to get another one of them stickers.
Scrap life sticker?
Yeah, I want 2 of them.
That's it.
I want 2 of them. I'm just gonna pay you for it.
What color?
Them bright ones, the red one, I guess.
2 of them?
Yeah. Sweet. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate that. How much is that aluminum that I brought in that wire? Going for £1.
The low grade?
Yeah, low grade. How much pounds did I have?
Oh, yeah, 121 pounds.
Yeah. How much is that stuff a pound? That's the first time I brought it in.
It's 40 cents a pound.
40 cents. Okay. This is my first time ever bringing it. I figured it's finally time. I had 2 buckets. I wanted to find out what it went for. Now I know. 40 cents a pound. 100 and something pounds. Learning every day, bro. Learning every day. Hey, man, I'm doing a lot of advertising for you. I am. A lot of advertising. I put it on every video where I go.
Hey, Drew.
Awesome day at Scrapyard, bro. Thank you much, my man.
Got it. Have a good one.
Sweet. $174. $174. Now that's a scrap run. Scrapping life, baby. Scrapping life. 174.80. Show me the money. Huh?
Call somebody.
Oh well, missed him. That's a good roll. That's a good run right there, Paul.
$126 still.
In steel.
Yeah. And you thought it was light load.
I thought it was light load. Wow.
And there you go, think it again.
Ain't that some shit?
8 cents a pound. Go that way.
Danford Road?
Yeah, go that way.
Yeah, guess so. Gotta get to 87.
Yeah, go right straight down 17. All the way down 17, buddy.
Yep. Gotta get to 87. Yeah. That was a good load, man.
Yeah, dude.
That was awesome.
$60.
$74.
Bring that room in here.
Oh, I know.
Well,
That's
trade-
my,
just trade
hey,
away.
that's gonna be one of my next trips.
Yeah, trade away aluminum.
Just aluminum. Number 1.
Then you want to see something? Bring me and trade away radiators.
Yeah. I don't get that many, so.
Where, that's what I
Although,
said.
if
Save
I,
them up.
can, if I can get these 4
Yeah,
and Leon's,
yeah, save them up.
right? And then I
got one
got
at the house.
2 at the house.
2 at the house.